Hello, my friend. In this video, I want to talk to you about building out a routine to ensure that you are doing what it takes on a daily basis to achieve your physique and your health goals. Now, it's so important that you establish some kind of a routine. We are creatures of habit, and generally we operate best when we have a routine. So scheduling in your workouts at a regular time every day, okay? And writing that into your calendar. Like, this is a non-negotiable, this is when I'm working out. And I prefer workouts that are earlier on in the day. It's more supportive to our natural cortisol rhythm. And we're generally just gonna have more energy in the day. Of course, if your job does not allow you to do that, that's fine. Working out at night is fine. But if it's possible for you to schedule your workout in earlier in the day, that is great. But just the best time to work out is the time that works for you. So just keep that in mind. So scheduling in your workout. And then what you want to do is you want to schedule in grocery shopping. Plan out your meals, right? Have scheduled time where you do batch cooking or meal prep, right? These are going to be really important for staying on track, being prepared. Because if you're not prepared, then you're just going to end up grabbing foods and snacks that are not in alignment with your health and fitness goals, right? The truth is, you just need to cook your own food. If you want to get in great shape, you have to cook. There's no way around it. It's very difficult to do when you're eating out all the time. So developing some habits, some rituals around your health and fitness habits is going to be really important to staying on track over the long term. And especially while these habits go from conscious incompetence to unconscious competence, right? So conscious incompetence where you know, okay, I don't have this habit down yet. It's going to take a lot more energy and conscious effort to be consistent with this. Whereas once you reach the level of unconscious competence, it's just easy. You don't even think about it. And that's where I'm at now. I feel weird if I don't do my workout. I'm like, wait, what's missing? Right? And you'll get there. You just have to persevere. Learning new habits, it just takes time and consistent effort and just a bit more will in the beginning. So building out some habits and some structure around what you need to do on a daily basis to set yourself up to win, such as scheduling your workouts, scheduling your grocery shopping, scheduling batch cooking and meal prep time are going to be really important. So create a schedule and stick to it. So in this video, we talked about building a routine to set yourself up to win on your health and fitness journey. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.